Hi there, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to share with you how to make flower petal easily in Photoshop. The quick best way to make flower petal in Photoshop. So let's get started. Select the ellipse tool, hold press shift key and make the circle. Now create a new layer and select the pen tool and make a petal. Just make one petal. Select the foreground color of the petal. I set the orange or blue, anything. Now go to paths from here and click on this icon. Fill path with foreground color. Hold and down the layer. Now again go to path and select the brush tool and brush point decreases the brush point. Select the foreground color black. Now click on this second icon to stroke path with brush. Now again select the pen tool and mouse right click and delete path. Now select the layer 2, this layer, and hold press Ctrl T. Now this is most important. See the anchor point. If you don't see the anchor point, so just click from here to get the anchor point. Hold and drag it down of the center, this anchor point, and rotate the petal this angle or this angle. Okay, I set the petal this angle. Now press enter. Now make sure to select the layer 2 and hold press Ctrl Alt Shift T for continuously make the petal. Yeah, it's nicely make the petal. It's most easy way and quickly make flower petal. So this way you can make any flower petal. So this way you can make any flower petal. Now go to file menu and click on the save as. Save the file, type of PNG, and orange flower. Here is the orange flower. I hope you like this video and like my tutorial. Please share this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you. See you next tutorial.